Hi, I'm Ray. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to propagate geraniums. You can propagate geraniums any time of year. Look for a new shoot and take a pair of scissors or secateurs and cut below the leaf knob. Pull off any of the lower leaves, replacing a short stem. Then you could dip this in water using water, or you can place this in a pot of compost, keeping the compost moist, and remove any flowers that appear